Today, we're going to check out how to put together One R Aerial Edition. Before we start, there's some important info to remember. Unlike other configurations of the One R, the Aerial Edition is not water resistant, so steer clear of water and rain when you're using it. Aerial Edition disables the drone's GPS signal and downward vision positioning system, so you'll need to be proficient in using ATTI mode to use it. Take off in a spacious outdoor area and maintain a distance of at least 10 meters between pilot and drone. Check that all parts are firmly connected before use, and double-check the drone's blades before flight. They shouldn't appear noticeably worn. Use the Aerial Edition below 10,000 meters above sea level. Do not fly in harsh or unpredictable environments, and do not fly on windy days. Make sure to face the drone's tail when you're operating it to ensure your safety. To get set up, first remove the lock cover. Push the lock buckle to the right to open the lock cover. Insert a micro SD card that meets the recommended specs. Remove the lock cover. Place the lock cover into the groove of the vertical battery base for safekeeping. Now it's time to assemble the top mounting frame. Insert the lens mod with split lens 360 printed on it into the top mounting frame. We're using the Mavic 2 version as an example in this video, but the same steps apply for the Mavic Pro version. Make sure your lens and lens guard are clean, and then install the lens guard. Install the core with the screen facing out and the card slot facing up. Install the vertical battery base, making sure that the Insta360 logo is facing out and the charging port is facing up. Then attach the power bridge. Next, we're going to assemble the bottom mounting frame. Insert the lens mod with flow state stabilization printed on it into the bottom mounting frame. Install the lens guard after you've checked to make sure the lens and lens guard are clean. Now it's time to install One R onto your drone. Attach the top mounting frame and bottom mounting frame onto the drone. Pull the drone rotor to parallel. Snap the top mounting frame into the rotor and then extend the rotor. Snap the bottom mounting frame onto the bottom of the drone and press it gently until it is fully engaged. Use the 1/4-inch thumb screw to secure it. Remember to charge up your vertical battery base before you fly. Next up is disassembly. Pull the drone rotor to parallel, and the top mounting frame will pop up automatically. Press the buckle to take out the bottom mounting frame. To remove the lens, first press the lens guard buckle to remove it. Then take out the lens. Press the power bridge bracket snap. Then remove the battery and core.